Hi, I'm Ramsey. I'm Product Manager for Large Venue Projectors here at Epson America, and this is our new EB-P series of 6,000 to 10,000 lumen projectors. It's our most compact interchangeable lens projectors. And next to it here, we have our brightest fixed lens projector that goes up to 7,000 lumens. Obviously, the ability to change lenses is what sets these two apart. So for example, you can put an ultra short throw lens here, a 0.35 throw, place this projector really close to the wall and you get a massive image. Or you can switch to a long throw lens and for that same screen size, place the projector all the way back in the room. Beyond interchangeable lenses, with these projectors you get a lot of our pro features, such for example our 4K enhancement technology, power zoom, focus, lens shift, lens memory, and a lot more. The new EB-P series uses the same cabinet as the series it's replacing, the Pro L10. The Pro L10 was available in 6,000 and 7,000 lumens, but with the EB-P we are now able to provide 10,000 lumens in this same compact cabinet. You can see how compact this cabinet is at 10,000 lumens when you compare it to our 9,000 lumen projector, which is being replaced. In fact, this 10,000 lumen projector is the world's smallest and lightest projector, and by a significant margin, due to the efficiency of using 3LCD technology and other innovations by Epson engineers. Like all of Epson's projectors, the EB-P utilizes 3-chip 3LCD technology, and in the 6K to 10,000 lumen projector, 3-chip is rather rare, with a lot of projectors being 1-chip DLP. And with 1-chip technology, you're just not going to get the color brightness that matches the white colors. So you're going to have less vibrant and muted colors. Although this is the entry point of the interchangeable lens projectors, you're going to find that we brought most all of the Pro features in the rest of our Pro Series lines. So we have panel shift technology, what we call 4K enhancement here. So this doubles the HD resolution on the screen. And this panel shift technology is rare as well in the 6,000 to 10,000 lumen range. We also have high native contrast ratio, 2000:1. And native contrast is really important because that's how you get the image quality and the readability, whether you're displaying a video or trying to read a presentation on the screen. In addition, we have features like new features like gamma correction, as well as HDR support, frame interpolation for moving videos, and super resolution. Since we use the same 3-chip technology across our entire projector lineup, we can use the same lens family from 6,000 to 20,000 lumens. And that includes our popular ultra short throw lenses, the XO1 and the XO2 here, as well as the XO3, which is for our super bright 30,000 lumen projector. These are really popular lenses. They have 0 offset, a lot of lens shift, and 0.35 throw, so you can get the projectors really close to the wall and get a magnificently large image and minimize shadowing if there's people close to the display. The XO1 is designed for our 6,000, 7,000, and 8,500 lumen projector, while the XO2 fits onto the 10,000 lumen projector because our 10,000 lumen projector has the larger 3LCD panel. Our engineers have been hard at work creating tools that simplify and speed up installations, and a great example of that is adding the NFC chip to these new EB-P projectors. So you simply load the Epson Configuration Tool app onto your phone, you click Scan, and you place the mobile phone close to the NFC area on the projector, and then this allows you to import and export projector settings. So this is really useful, for example, when you're commissioning a large number of projectors. You may receive 30 or 40 projectors you need to install. You have certain settings regarding to IP addresses, sleep timer, and all that. And now you can just use this app to transfer the settings from a master projector to all the others. And the great thing is too, is that the projector doesn't have to be powered on. The projectors can still be in their shipping carton as you're exporting these new setup configuration tools to each and every projector. Our higher lumen Pro Series projectors feature built-in cameras that allow access to a lot of powerful automated tools, such as stacking assist, tiling assist, auto color calibration, screen matching, and remote capture for remote tech support. And all these tools are made possible by that camera. And now we've made that camera available on the new EB-P series via an external clip-on camera right here. And you simply attach it using an external adapter clip right to the front. And then you can connect it to the projector using the included USB cable. The same camera can also be used to attach to our new XO1, XO2, and XO3 lenses, where again you place the camera on top and without an angle of view adjustment with the adapter clip, and then you're ready to go and you're able to access all these really powerful tools with this unique camera it brings to you, and just update your firmware and ensure you've got the latest software, EPPT, and you're ready to go with these amazing automated tool set. All right, so let's take a look at the interface panel on the back of the projector. To the right here, you have the NFC scan area where you can take your mobile app and press scan and just place your mobile phone there, and then you've read the settings of the projector. You can also write your settings to the projector as well, and the projector doesn't have to be powered on. And then moving to your left, we have SDI in-out, and that's only for our 10,000 lumen projector. And then next you have the USB ports. You can connect a USB thumb drive, for example, where you can have your video content, and this becomes basically like a built-in media player. So you can play your video or a playlist right onto the projector. And next you have HDMI, and then DVI, and then HD-Base T.